So, good morning, my dear student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to read the last part of this chapter, Plants in the Surroundings, that is, plant products. This is not the important part, but you may get a small 2 to 3 mark question. So, let's read. It is a very short part. So, we get many products from the plants. So what are those products we will learn here? The first product and the most important product is food items. The most important product is food. Okay. What kind of food we get? We get fruits. We get fruits, vegetables. In fruits, you can write some 2 3 names: apple, mango, banana, pineapple, like that. Vegetables, cauliflower, your bottle gourd, capsicum, tomato, potato, and all. Grains. This grains means your rice, wheat, bajra, all these things. We eat this, grains means what? Rice, wheat. Okay, rice is the staple food. We every day we eat rice or roti. We eat roti is made up of wheat and also pulses. And also pulses means your dal, moong dal, arhar dal, all the dals. Okay, these all are the plant products that we get from the food products that we get from the plant. So my question is, do we get only food products or something else? Yes, we get something else. So we will read one by one about that. So the first thing that we get is food product, and the next thing that we get is oils. And without oil, cooking is not possible. In most of the food item, oil is very much required. So we get oil from different seeds of the plant. Basically, we get oil from seeds of the this plant. So you may get a question, write some name of oils. So you can write, the stroke is very thin. You can write the name of some oil. You can write it groundnut oil. Groundnut oil you will get from groundnut. Okay. Coconut oil. Coconut oil we get from coconut. So this part is totally a basic of your remember. You have to remember all the things. Nothing is there to understand. Just you write and remember. Sunflower oil. Okay. And mustard oil. These are the basic oil that we use in our day-to-day life. Coconut oil we use to as a hair oil also we use coconut oil. Some use coconut oil as food to prepare food items also. Okay, and also some use soya bean oil. Nowadays soya bean oil is also used. Soya bean, rice bran oil. You must have heard olive oil. So they all are the oils that we use in our day-to-day life. Now, my dear children, I hope you have heard name of spices. I hope so. You have heard the name of spices. I guarantee that you have heard the name of spices. So these spices that we use in our food, which make our food tasty, also we get from the plants. We also get these spices from the plants. So what are these spices? These spices are the powder of some plant parts like leaf or root or flower or fruit. Suppose we say haldi, turmeric. Turmeric is the powder of the fruit of the turmeric plant. Okay, clove, cardamom, okay, pepper. They all are the powder or obtained from some plant part. So you can write the example as pepper, and turmeric, which we say as haldi. In Hindi, we say turmeric as haldi. Turmeric, clove. Clove means long. It is very good for your teeth. Clove and cardamom, elaichi. They all are the English name, but you also remember the Hindi name, so it is very easy to remember for you. These are the four basic spices. Okay, and also red chili. Red chili is also a very good spice. So now I want to ask you, my dear children, have you seen your parents or your grandparents drinking tea or coffee? Or you must have gone to a hotel and saw cold coffee, okay, dark chocolate, like this, different varieties of coffees, tea, green tea. So where this green tea, where this coffee comes from? They all comes from the plants. Okay, and the chocolate we eat, it is also made from a plant product called as cocoa. Okay, so let's read about them in detail. This tea, coffee, cocoa, all the things. You see, I have given a picture of the green tea because nowadays green tea is very much famous. So this tea that all drink come from the tea leaves. Comes from the tea leaves. Okay. And this coffee comes from the cocoa beans, the seeds. This coffee comes from the cocoa beans or the cocoa seeds, and also from these cocoa beans chocolate is prepared. Okay, so this is about tea and coffee. Tea and coffee is very important part of life because they provide us tajgi, freshness. Okay, so many people prefer to drink tea and coffee, but you should take it in adult age. It is not good for children of your age. Okay, so now we will learn about wood and fibers. Children, in your home you must have seen furnitures. In your home you must have seen furnitures. So the carpenter makes these furnitures, yes or no? The carpenter makes this furniture by using what? By using the wood of the tree. The wood we get from where? The wood we get from the tall trees, the trunk of the trees used as wood. Okay, and this wood is also used to burn fire. In cold places you must have seen some people have fire, some people take firewood and burn it to get warmness. Okay, so this is the very important function of wood. Now fibers. Okay, so my dear children, do you wear clothes? I hope so. You wear clothes. Every one of us wear clothes. So where these clothes come from? This come from the fibers, the cotton fibers. I know some of the clothes are synthetic, but the basic clothes, good clothes are made up of cotton fibers. Synthetic clothes are not so good as cotton fibers clothes. The cotton clothes, they provide us good airability and everything. They are good to wear also. They are smooth. Okay, synthetic clothes are also good, but not as good as the cotton fiber clothes. Okay, and cotton clothes, they are cotton is very important fiber used to make clothes, bags, everything. You also heard may heard the term jute cloth. Jute fibers get from the jute plant. This jute is also used to make clothes, but basically nowadays jute clothes are not so famous. Jute bags, okay, jute bags are much famous nowadays. And also coir, this coir, my dear children, is very important. Coir we get from the coconut. Okay, you have seen the hair is like brownish hair present at the back of the coconut, that is only the coir. Okay, that is also used in making bags and all. Okay, gadi bags, and also the boriyas, we say boriya in Hindi, all are made with this coir and jute. Cotton fibers is basically used in making clothes. Okay, so now my dear children, the next part that comes is medicine. Okay, you have heard the term Ayurveda. I hope so. You have heard the term Ayurveda. It is our Indian medical science. Why it is called Indian medical science and why it is called Ayurveda? Because it uses the medicinal values of this plant. इस plant में तुलसी, नीम, okay, turmeric, eucalyptus, poppy, इस सब plant का जो medicinal value है, कुछ कुछ मतलब वो हमारा शरीर में जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उसको वो क्योर करते हैं. इस सब को वो यूज करते हैं क्या बनाने के लिए? मेडिसिन बनाने के लिए. ओके, say chuck, they take the roots of some plant, leaves of some plant, or seeds of some plant as the medicine. So these plants are of high medicinal value. So if I tell the example of some, you may write tulsi. Tulsi is a plant of high medicinal value. It provides you relief from your cough. Okay, cough and cold. Neem is basically related to digestive system and skin diseases. Aloe vera, aloe vera is also a plant of high medicinal value. Okay, then your turmeric. Okay, your poppy plant is used to make certain kind of drugs. Okay, that one you will learn in the higher classes. Poppy and eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is related to some malarial medicines. That is not required. You just remember the names of the plants you may get in the exam. Now, my dear children, you must be using perfumes. Okay, at your homes, you must be using rubber for erasing. Okay, you must be using rubber for erasing. So, where this rubber comes from? This rubber comes from the plant only. You must be using paper to write. Where this paper comes from? From the plants. You must be using sugar in your food. Where this sugar comes from? Also from the plant. So, other plant products you can write as perfume. Okay, from perfume plant. See, I have given a photo of jasmine here, but you can write rose. Rose is also a perfume based plant. Okay, lavender. You must have heard this name. You must have seen these names on the room fresheners. Okay, they are all prepared from these plant products, these plant flowers basically. So perfume or the jasmine also you can write. I have given the photo of jasmine here. So jasmine you can write jasmine. They are all plants of good smell. Then your rubber. The rubber that we use, eraser, we get from where? We get from the Rubber plant. It is used in making tires also. This rubber is used in making tires and erasers. Then you see bamboo. This bamboo plant is used to make paper. Used to make what? Paper. Okay. And the sugar cane is used to make sugar. That's much you remember. Sugar cane, sugar. Sugar cane gives us what? Sugar. So for today, this much my students, and this chapter is over. Please prepare for this chapter, and also I appeal you to give the annual examination going to be conducted from February 4th to 9th. Everything is there in the video description. And please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to the next videos. Thank you. Bye bye and take care. Stay tuned.